Hello there. Let me ask you a question. Why are you a Forex trader in the first place? To make money and to build wealth for you and your family, right? Well, are you making as much money as you would like? Well, since you're watching this video, I'm assuming that things could be going a little bit better. This video is about one thing and one thing only, making money in Forex and doing it simply, consistently, and with as little stress as possible. We're going to show you how to do it, but be warned, the information in this video is very powerful and it's for action takers. This video is only available for a short time, so watch the complete video now before it's removed. This is a great time to be a Forex trader because there's an incredible amount of uncertainty in the markets, which leads to unseen levels of volatility. And if you know what to look for, volatility leads to extreme profits. How do we know? Because we've been helping traders from all walks of life since 2005 through our trading services and website found at forextradersdaily.com, one of the most popular and trusted Forex educational websites in the world. Over 50,000 people rely on our trading advice each and every day, and we've helped thousands of traders enjoy more financial success than ever before. Over the years of helping traders like you make money, we've seen hundreds of different approaches to trading the Forex, but in the end, all strategies fall into two broad categories. There are strategies that really clever people invented to try to outsmart the market, and then there are strategies based on natural systems that are based on the laws of nature, which manifest as hidden patterns embedded in all technical charts, and these improve your probability of making money significantly. When you trade in conformance with the laws that govern the market becomes your ally, and once you understand it, you'll definitely have a major advantage over every other trader. In this video, we're going to present to you a proven, long-term, workable, natural strategy. But before we do that, we'd like to show you some of the issues that traders frequently struggle with so we can then demonstrate the right way to trade. And make no mistake about it, our goal is to make you money over the long term, so let's dive into it. I will run through the mindset of the average trader on a typical day because you could be falling into some of these very same traps. When the market's moving a lot, do you get excited knowing that there's big money to be made? Do you see a trend line and then make a quick buy or sell decision and then lay some indicators over it to validate your assumptions? When you enter a trade, do you watch it closely to determine the best time to get out of the trade? Do you like to ride out a losing trade, hoping to turn it into a winner? This sounds pretty normal, doesn't it? Well, this is what 95% of traders do, and all of it is completely wrong. If you are nodding your head or agreeing with any of that, you need to step back and reconsider your trading approach and fast, or you'll wind up broke. Why? Because many traders fall into the common trap of letting emotions, hunches, and poor assumptions rule their trading habits. If you trade anything like this, in whole or in part, we don't blame you. It's definitely not your fault, and you're not alone. The fact of the matter is that there are massive pitfalls waiting to trap all traders, and you need to know how to avoid them. Trap number one is, despite the fact that most technical indicators were created as helpful tools, most indicators give conflicting information. You can't trust your tools if they all make different recommendations. So what most traders do to compensate is unconsciously pick a direction to trade based on emotions. In other words, we tend to make a decision and then make our indicators slave to our emotions, rationalizing our way into a trade. Talk about the tail wagging the dog. But this is a function of not being able to trust our indicators, and that's not your fault. Another common trap is that solid technical analysis skills take far too long to acquire. There's just too much to learn and not enough time to learn it all. So we get frustrated with technical trading, and naturally we look to solutions that help make decisions for us, such as robots or proprietary strategies, which have been shown time and time again to be flash-in-the-pan tactics that never build true wealth. Another major trap is behaving in an inconsistent way, which must lead to inconsistent results. We say that we want consistent results, but to get consistent results, you have to demonstrate proper trading behavior. And I can assure you, consistently winning traders rarely let emotions factor into their trading. When you don't fully trust your own strategy or don't have one at all, that's when you let emotions rule your trading. The more you trust your strategy, the easier it is to be dispassionate about your individual trades, and the more likely they are to make you money. With so many pitfalls, it's no wonder that 95% of traders fail to make a consistent profit in the foreign exchange. What if there were a single, simple method that addressed all of these problems? And what if they were based not on invented formations or patterns, but on naturally occurring patterns that could be discovered hiding in plain sight on nearly any chart in any market? A trading system that is safe, fast, and easy, and that avoids every pitfall we just discussed? And what if you were trained on this system until you had it down pat? Well, you're in luck. The strategy exists, and it's called ElementalTrader. And it's based on a concept that even most Forex experts don't understand. In Forex, technical charts show us the price movement of currency pairs, but is that what charts really are? The answer is no. When you look at a chart, you might think you're looking at a record of the movement of currency pair values, and that's true on the surface. But the fact is that because the market is traded by people, it's accurate to say that all charts are actually records of human behavior. A chart is a record of hundreds of thousands of trades placed because a reasoning human being made the decision to do so. And yes, there are some Forex robots out there, but they're just a drop in the bucket because robots always fail eventually, so people stop using them. So the vast majority of trades are placed by people, which means that if there are some fundamental forces that influence human behavior, it will show up on a chart. It also means that if you understand those influences, you've got a new, powerful tool to help you profitably navigate the markets. Harmonic patterns are the best way to spot this natural influence, and harmonic patterns are the foundation of this system that you now have the opportunity to study and apply, the ElementalTrader system. Humans are deeply enmeshed in natural systems and are governed by them whether we like it or not. The fact is that we are subject to certain natural laws and the dynamics of nature. And one of these dynamics is that there are ratios that occur throughout nature, which appear in all natural systems. Many years ago, mathematicians studying basic geometry noticed something really peculiar. Wherever they looked within nature, the same ratios kept popping up, so they called them golden ratios. And guess what? These ratios also appear in the charts of any market that is traded by humans. Well, how can that be? Well, as we said, we aren't immune from the laws of nature. Even our bodies conform to these ratios in hundreds of different ways. Now, this may not seem like news to you if you've been using Fibonacci-based indicators in your trading. Our Italian friend Fibonacci revealed a sequence of numbers based on those golden ratios that further clarified how natural patterns are at work in man's endeavors. Our charts are riddled with these ratios and Fibonacci sequences, which show up as specific harmonic patterns. These harmonic patterns, once you know what you're looking for, show up in every market. The ElementalTrader system includes harmonic pattern recognition software that finds the top harmonic patterns which signal to you when to trade. These patterns certainly show up in all time compressions and all currency pairs, so you can keep trading your favorite currency pairs only more profitably than ever before. They show up even when external factors influence the market, such as periods when major economic news releases hit the streets. Harmonic patterns have vastly increased the probability of making a winning trade. And as interesting as this is, the proof is in the pudding. So let's talk about the results we've achieved with this system and the results you can expect to achieve with this system. Harmonic patterns are extremely reliable. After being tracked for many decades, they've been proven to work nearly 90% of the time. That is the highest long-term success rate produced by any type of indicator in any market in any time frame in the history of mankind. So why haven't you heard more about them? Why isn't every trader using harmonic patterns? It's because most traders don't have the self-discipline or confidence to stick with a strategy for so long. But when you invest in the ElementalTrader system, you can and will develop these characteristics and skills. How well can you do? Well, let's see what one of our expert pattern traders, Derek Fry, has enjoyed lately with it, because if he can do it, you can do it too. This is Derek's track record over the last 22 months. In those 22 months, he achieved an overall 74% return on capital without the use of leverage, which is outstanding. That means if you had followed the pattern recognition software in his trade calls based on those patterns, you would have easily grown an account from $100,000 to $174,000. Those are big numbers, so think of it this way. If you open an account with $10,000 and used no leverage, trading just one mini lot, you would have made $7,400. If you used modest 3-to-1 leverage, you would have made $22,200 on just a $10,000 account. And as you know, most brokers allow the use of significantly more leverage. Also notice that Derek stuck with his trading plan to the T. Despite having the occasional month that would discourage most traders and get them to change course and tactics, Derek stayed the course over a full 22 months. Out of the 22 months, he had 18 months of gains, which is a first-rate win-loss ratio. So mindset and confidence are very important, and Derek displays excellent trader behaviors that you should try to emulate. If you saw the recent special report we published, you know that we highlighted the periods in which this strategy resulted in a net loss for Derek, and we did that with good reason. Those poor months turned out to be a precursor to some of his best months ever. In June, Derek made 908 pips, followed by 1,005 pips, and then the following month, a whopping 1,642 pips. Imagine 1,642 pips in just 1 month. Those are the results that you now have the opportunity to achieve. So now you can stop searching for the next killer strategy. Your search is over, and using the Elemental Trader software is the first step to making real money. But this just isn't about software. We have put together an end-to-end, soup-to-nuts system for 2011 to provide you with every necessary element to be a highly successful trader. And while we provide hundreds of thousands of dollars of value, you're about to see how this program is affordable for you today. Make no mistake, you can make enough money to fund a luxurious retirement even if you're starting off with just a few $100s in your trading account. So today is the day to take action to give yourself an unfair advantage and get started making money in the Forex. However, if you're looking for a flash-in-the-pan strategy to get rich quick, this is not for you. This is a long-term strategy for serious traders who are intent upon wealth. Let's talk about the goals of the Elemental Trader system, and then we'll get specific and talk about how you can begin putting this strategy to work for you. The first goal is to give you the superior tools you need so you know exactly what the market is going to do next, so you can make money no matter how much or how little time you have to trade, but you need the right tools. The second goal is to arm you to the teeth with practical information so you can become an expert at managing your money, managing risk, and managing trades for maximum profit. It's one thing to make a winning trade, but it's another thing to string together enough winning trades to build a secure financial foundation running a Forex trading business. The third goal is to provide you with the support you need when you need it. We don't teach you enough to be dangerous and then set you adrift without support. We work with you every step of the way until you're an expert trader. And all of these contribute to the fourth goal, which is to make you an expert independent trader who is not dependent on anyone or anything else to make money in Forex. You're going to be able to stand on your own 2 feet as a trader, making money, providing for yourself and your family, and planning for a financially secure retirement. Together, we will accomplish these 4 goals, and that is guaranteed in writing. Let's talk about what's actually in the Elemental Trader system. The first element of this strategy you probably already have, the Elemental Trader pattern recognition software. The software is extremely powerful as it shows you the 4 most profitable and consistently winning harmonic patterns of all time. And when you become an Elemental Trader and take advantage of the system, you get to download the software and all of the other components instantly from anywhere in the world with no waiting. The first harmonic pattern that the software reveals for us is known as the crab. When the crab pattern appears, it's time to place a trade. And when the pattern doesn't appear, you don't trade. Nothing could be simpler. The crab has an 87% success rate in both bull and bear markets. That's an incredible success rate. And when you combine that with what you're going to learn about account and risk management, you've got a powerful combination at your fingertips. The next pattern is the butterfly, and it looks like this. When the butterfly appears on your charts, you have an 88% chance of making a winning trade when you follow the guidelines that we lay out for you. You want to extract as much profit from each trade as possible, making every trade count. The third pattern is the bat, and it has the highest success rate of all the naturally occurring harmonic patterns at a 92.5% success rate. And the final pattern that you're going to master is the Gartley pattern. It's the most common of all of the patterns and has a 90% success rate when you follow our system. All you need are these 4 basic harmonic patterns, and that's why we call this the Elemental Trader system. It's simple, proven, and timeless. Remember, these patterns are setups that tip the odds greatly in your favor, so you'll be able to choose the best trades and ignore the high-risk trades that drain your capital. Hopefully you're starting to see the simple and elegant beauty of this system, so let's talk about how to make it your strategy. The next element is one of the most valuable components with long-term benefit to you, a professionally designed 6-module course that teaches you this entire strategy. The course is conveyed through multiple channels, so the information really sinks in until you develop an unshakable sense of confidence as a harmonic pattern trader. This is the heart of the education component, and the course breaks down the material, as I said, into 6 modules and presents it in video on demand format, so you can watch no matter where you are or what time of day it is. Module 1 is both your initial introduction to harmonic pattern trading and the method's foundations, and this forms the cornerstone of your education. You'll find this module to be fun, relaxed, and very eye-opening, and you'll be a better trader right from the get-go just by understanding some of the concepts, such as probabilities, the importance of a trading plan, and how risk management fits into the picture. Module 2 provides you with the theoretical foundation of the harmonic patterns. We'll focus on the important Fibonacci ratios and how they apply to harmonic trading, and we'll discuss the Gartley pattern, which is the basis of all harmonic trading. We also look at chart examples and how the Fibonacci ratios apply to the patterns. This is a solid module that gives you a new appreciation for the markets, and it will develop your understanding so you can put detailed technical analysis behind you for good. Once you've mastered the Gartley pattern, Module 3 takes you into the heart of the 3 other main harmonic patterns used in the Elemental Trader system, the crab, the butterfly, and the bat, which you've already heard a little bit about, but being able to spot them is key. So Module 4 is an in-depth look at the pattern recognition software and how to fine-tune it for your own personal needs and preferences. Trade management and scaling are also examined in this module to help you maximize your profit for each trade. You'd be amazed at how a few extra pips here and there over time can become a small fortune, so scaling your trades properly is a lucrative skill to learn. Even if you only learn this one skill, you'd get more than the full system investment back. Module 5 is entirely dedicated to the development of your personal trade plan. If you've been around the Forex block once or twice, you know that everyone tells you how important it is to develop and stick to a personal trading plan, but no one ever shows you what a trading plan looks like or what elements should be in it. So how can you follow a plan that you don't have? How can you stay within guidelines that are safe for you with your unique circumstances if the trading plan doesn't exist? Module 5 is where you get to learn all of the elements that belong in a personal trading plan. And of course, you will create your own trading plan, which will become a crucial document that you rely on. You must have one and respect it and use it properly. And this system enables your success by giving you a trade plan. And then we walk you through the process of developing a customized trading plan that's ideal for you. Module 6 focuses on teaching you to run your trading like a business. It's a business that needs to turn a profit to sustain itself to build your wealth, so you must think of it in those terms. 2 primary components of this are the risk management and money management strategies you will learn. The team that put together the Elemental Trader system has over 50 years of combined Forex account management experience, and this collective knowledge is built into the system. We're going to provide you with a complete course guide. This is the entire video series in PDF format with all of the documentation, so you can take the course guide with you anywhere you go, so you can absorb the material wherever and whenever you want. The course guide has a very reasonable value of $300. And we want you to make money right from the get-go, so we also include a quick start guide, which will help you begin trading profitably as soon as possible. The quick start guide shows you the fastest path to the cash and has a value of $399. We're also including our Elemental Trader Harmonic Pattern Blueprint worth $249. This is a quick reference that you can put on your office wall or keep at your desk, and it shows you at a glance the 4 primary harmonic patterns, providing you with the characteristics of each pattern with the detailed outline from a technical aspect as to what makes the pattern. It provides you with the proper trade approach for each particular pattern and data about how often they form. All of these tools, downloads, and much more are located in the special members-only premium website that you will be given instant access to. This is where any course material updates or software updates will be posted. In addition to the tools and files you need, the site is also a forum and blog area where we post all of our daily trading activities and advice about how economic trends may affect the market. This has a value of $999 per year, but we're including lifetime access at no cost as part of this special limited time offer. Now let's talk about support. We are proud to say that we have a fantastic, dedicated internal support team, all of whom are expert traders. There's no limit to how often you may utilize this support, and we take great pride in getting you the information and help you need so you can keep trading profitably. We incur significant expense to bring this to you, but we feel it's worth it because your success is at stake, and they are here to help you succeed. Within the member site area, we have a live chat feature. Our team is available for live online chat, and that's available during business hours Eastern Time Zone. You can always email us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and when you email us, a help desk ticket gets created automatically. If for some reason you're having trouble with the strategy itself, as opposed to a password or technical issue, we will escalate your issue all the way up to our top traders for a personal response as necessary, and we will figure out what you need and get you that help guaranteed. There is no limit on how often you may utilize the support, and we take great pride in getting you the information and help you need so you can keep trading profitably. So you might be wondering, what are the challenges that we face as a harmonic pattern trader? Good question. There are two main challenges. The first is how to find these patterns in the first place. We've shown you how they appear on charts, but normally you have to go looking for them. These harmonic patterns are all over your charts, but you have to fire up the software and tell the software to go looking at every currency pair that you want to trade and every time frame that you want to monitor, and that's very time consuming. So what some traders do to save time is limit their focus and search to just one or two pairs and one or two time compressions. But limiting your focus like that eats into your profits because you have less potential trades to work with. To really save time without sacrificing pips and profits, what you want is a service that will comb through every pair and every compression to find these patterns for you and list them out so you can just pick and choose the ones that look most promising to you. We now have a done-for-you software that automatically searches these patterns in every major currency pair for every possible time compression. In other words, we're performing a full-bore scan of the entire market in real time looking for patterns. We call this software Trade Finder, and when it finds the patterns, we post them to the members' website as a list of current patterns available for you to trade. The software also alerts you in 4 ways. It gives you a visual alert and an audible alert if you're at your desk. It will email you a notification, and it will provide you with an SMS text message to your cell phone if you have service with a major carrier. So you don't ever have to search when you have this tool. Trade Finder is putting you in the envious position of being able to quickly sift through the list of patterns and simply pick the ones that you want to trade. Instead of you searching and chasing down trades, now they will come to you. This is a model of trading that every trader should be eager to adopt. The Trade Finder service is $350 per month, and it has the Forex community buzzing, but we're willing to let the traders who lock in these packages to have access to this service for 12 months free. That's a $4,200 value, completely free when you take action today. The second challenge is, of all the available patterns to trade, how do you know which ones to choose given your unique circumstances, your tolerance for risk, and the amount of time that you have available for trading? Those are good questions, and that is the purpose of the Elemental Trader Training, the 6-module course via on-demand video. Having an understanding of why a strategy works is not the same as having the skills to implement the strategy in the real world, and that is precisely the challenge we set out to solve when we developed the training course. Trade Finder will list out all the available patterns for you and help make tracking them a snap, but it's the knowledge you'll acquire in the 6-module video training course that gives you the confidence and the know-how to make money in the foreign exchange. It's a very powerful combination that you can absorb and implement and profit from within a day or two. Will this package make you a better trader? You bet it will. Now, before we allow access to this package, we have one last bonus that is going to really make this an easy decision and make your trading a lot more profitable. Everyone knows that no matter what field you're in, specialists make more money than generalists. So we have created a series of brand new trading videos which teach you 3 very specific trade setups that you will master, allowing you to specialize in a small, lucrative subset of harmonic trades. Dustin Pass, the creator of Elemental Trader, is going to take you right inside his office, into his trading platform, and show you in detail 3 very specific trade setups, trades that you can use right away to put pips in your pocket. Dustin is going to coach you on video all the way to teach you these special trades. Think of it this way. The 6-module course is like boot camp. It gives you a great foundation and gets you ready for advanced training. But these 3 specific trade setup videos are like advanced small arms training, showing you exactly how to hit your mark in actual trading scenarios. He's going to show you how to select the best of the best patterns using the Trade Finder service. Then he is going to open his broker charting package and show you how he analyzes the risk-reward ratio to validate that it's a potentially lucrative trade. Then he will show you how to identify the potential reversal zone for each pattern. Then you'll see exactly how he enters his order to place his trades, and you'll see his criteria on screen for determining placement of his stop losses, how to scale into and out of the trades, and how to manage risk like a pro, plus a whole lot more. Each video is based on a different time compression, so if you like scalping, swing trading, or taking longer positions, we're going to show you how to continue to do that as a harmonic pattern trader. Every harmonic pattern works on every time compression, but he will be illustrating how to apply specific patterns to specific time compressions to identify winning trades, and you'll get to watch him trade his own personal funds using these patterns, which will help you apply your knowledge to real-world trading scenarios that you're likely to encounter as you become an expert harmonic pattern trader. Each of these videos has a retail value of $500, so this is a $1,500 bonus that is yours when you take action today. Each video is so valuable because the videos are specific and give you clear instructions on how to find and make these trades week after week. Watching these 3 powerful videos is the best way to begin trading with harmonic patterns. Now, all of the common challenges have been addressed and overcome with this package, so let's review everything you get. Here are all of the elements of the Elemental Trader system. It's everything you need and nothing you don't. First, you get the full version of ElementalTrader pattern recognition software, and that includes any updates or changes that are important. This version will never expire, so this is the one you need. The version that was given out for free will stop working when the sales close for ElementalTrader, which is just a few days away. Secondly, you get the 6-module ElementalTrader training course. This is the heart of the entire system, and it's all available via on-demand video, no waiting. Once you finish these 6 videos, you will have more money-making skills than 99% of traders in the marketplace right now. This course has a value of $3,600, a nominal amount considering the long-term return on investment. We will also provide you with a complete course guide worth $300, which is the contents of all 6 videos and educational materials, including self-assessments you do at the end of each module to make sure you fully understand the information. The guide is in PDF format, so you can easily search for specific topics or print it out for a handy reference. You also get the ElementalTrader Pattern Blueprint as another convenient reference to help you master the core 4 patterns. We also provide you with a very useful quick start guide to get you trading profitably as soon as possible by showing you how to move through the material in the most efficient way. This quick start guide is worth $300. When you get access to the system, this is what you'll go to first. You also get unlimited support, which includes live chat, phone support, and email access to the entire team. You also get access to all the materials through our premium members website, which has a value of $999 per year, and you will get lifetime access to that. There are no other charges, and your access never goes away. Then you get an entire year's access, 12 months, to the Trade Finder service, so you never again stare at charts to find your ideal trades. We list them out for you, so you can immediately spot the trades that meet your guidelines. This service has a cash value of $4,200 per year. And finally, you'll get 3 brand new full-length training videos, one on scalping, one on swing trading, and one on taking longer positions using harmonic patterns. And you'll be personally coached by Dustin Pass. This video set has a cash value of $1,500. This is a smart investment that will pay you dividends for years to come. ElementalTrader is just the thing you need to enjoy true Forex wealth, but this offers for a limited time only. When you know what the market's going to do, your life gets a whole lot easier. So let us help you avoid the numerous Forex pitfalls that burn your cash and waste months and years of your progress. We'll guide you until you are an independent, successful, expert trader. As you've seen, this package is complete, containing everything you need to master harmonic pattern trading, and it has a true cash value of $11,247. But we have made this ElementalTrader package ultra affordable for 99% of traders, and we have a convenient 3-pay option available for you today. So make the smart decision to become a harmonic pattern trader right now. You'll get full instant access to each and every item in the system, including all of the bonuses. You can get cracking and begin putting profits in your account today, so there are no delays.